inside of this Ninja Jump combo, we have these steps here, and because this ladder climb is a bit old, these steps are starting to wear down. So the vinyl has cracked and it's starting to break open, and the material inside of these steps is coming out. And so we are going to replace these steps with our high density foam ladder climb steps. And we can do these steps as well. If you want your ladder climb replaced with the same type of steps, we can do that. But the customer for this inflatable does prefer the ladder climb blocks, and so we're going to show you what it looks like once we've replaced all the steps. Here's what the ladder climb looks like after we've replaced the steps. Like I mentioned, we have these high density foam steps that we replaced it with so that they're comfortable to climb on, and we kept the staggered pattern with the different colors, and so that the customer can continue to use this blanket for a long time. So be sure to check out our website and look at all of our different repair services and see what we can do for you to get your inflatable repaired.